Hello! We are excited to introduce a new platform that will make your work faster and easier. Energy Planner offers a range of services, including solar mapping simulation, Planset ordering, and project management. Let's take a look at how Energy Planner can help you save time and money. To create a new project, click on Plus Project in the upper left corner. Enter the customer address and information and select a layout status. It's perfectly fine if you don't have a layout yet. You can request one to our expert. Or you can create your own using Energy Planner's free design tools. With a simple click, your solar layout is now complete. Easy, right? Now that the layout is complete, shall we order a Planset for construction? Enter the project details step by step. If you have any questions during the process, please use the chat function. Ordering is simple, as we have fully organized all items by category. After entering all required information, you can proceed to checkout. Our engineer will send you the Planset within 2 business days of receiving your order. Additionally, Energy Planner provides a project management system to help you create and manage your customer list more easily and conveniently. You can also invite your colleagues to manage projects together. Work smarter with Energy Planner, the all-in-one service platform. From your soulmate, Energy Planner.